Mastros scraper for WhatsApp. Export the data that's already on your screen. 3 exports, 1 panel, group members, chat messages, and recent contacts, with the fields you'd actually use. Web mode runs right inside WhatsApp Web. Open a group, launch Mastros, and it detects what you have open. It reads only what your browser has already loaded. Preview, then export. Groups, one-to-one chats, your chat lists, say your customer conversations. What you have open decides what you export. Group members reads the participant list of an open group, name, number, role. Chat messages exports the loaded history, sender, timestamp, and text. And recent contacts turns your chat list into names, previews, and visible numbers. Export to CSV, JSON, or JSONL. Open it in a spreadsheet, or feed it to your scripts. And it's read-only, no sending, no automation. Mastros Scraper for WhatsApp. Free to start. Available on the Chrome Web Store.